Hello and welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I found this mould for some incense holders online. I thought it looked pretty cool. It's one with some little stars. The middle one's got the different phases of the moon. And then this one's just a blank tray. I thought I would try resin and then 2 alcohol inks in each, plus white. So I think in the stars, I'm gonna go for black and pink. And then the middle, which is the moon, I'm gonna do sky blue and green. And then the plain one, I'm gonna go purple and deep pink. All of them plus white, of course. So I'm just gonna pop a mask on. I've got some resin mixed up already, and then we'll jump right into it. Right, I'm back. I've got my resin here ready to go. So I'm just going to pour into all 3 and then start adding alcohol inks. Hope I've got enough. I think I have. They're all full. Let's go a little bit more. Perfect. Give them a little torch to get rid of any air bubbles. Right, and then let's get started. Black first or pink first? Pink first. And I think I'm going to be super generous with the alcohol inks in this one. Well, with the pink for sure, and then maybe calm down a bit with the black. Right. Ooh. Do I like it? I don't know. We'll see. More pink, maybe? Might be way too much black now. Never mind, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to add the 2 colours to each, and then I'm going to go back with the white. So the middle one now, doing sky blue first. Oops. Green. think with the middle one I'm going to get a cocktail stick and run that through as well, probably with the last one as well, depending on how it turns out. I've just dripped in there, never mind. That's a rubbish lid on that one. It's a shame. Oh, I think this one's got a dodgy lid as well. Maybe it's a dodgy handler rather than a dodgy lid. And they've merged. No! It's all going wrong. I'm going to carry on and then split them somehow at the end. I'm now wondering if that needs to be... Right, white, all is not lost. I think that looks pretty cool, the way they're all mixing together. I'm definitely going to get a cocktail stick on the middle one. I don't even know if I want white on this one, do I? Yeah. And then cocktail stick. Quite like that. I'm going to do that on this one as well. Still want to do it on the black? Yeah, why not? There we go. I'll see you all back when they've cured and we'll have a look. So it's been probably 4 days since I poured these, just life getting in the way. So I haven't demoulded them. I'm excited to see, you can see through. I think the middle one's going to be my favourite. Maybe the pink and purpley one, that looks quite cool, the swirls. But let's pour them out and see. That's stuck. Pull that. You think you can see the little stars here along the edges and the air bubble there. Larger star at the end. Ooh, like that one. You can't really see the different moons on the middle, but I love how the whites reacted here. I think everything shifted this way, definitely, on all of them when it was drying or curing. That one looks really cool. And the purple. Oh, that's the easiest one to get out. Because there's no design or pattern on it. I like that again, how the white here, sort of, I don't know what you would call it, it's like lacing maybe? Blooming, I don't know. That looks cool. Let me get a different colour background, then you might be able to see better. Here they are on some white. What do you think? That was the middle, wasn't it? There we go. These two are definitely my favourites. So 1, 2, 3. I think 2 is my favourite, 3 next, and 1 last. How about you? Let me know in the comments below. Drop me a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see future videos. I will pop some pictures at the end. Thanks for watching.